entitled Gate. Once, there was a four men, joined and hired to be a secret agent that will enter the house of a rich man. They investigate the room and on each member of the family, but after a week, they fail their work. The four men decided to quit as being an agent, while the two men are walking. They heard the news about the spread of crime cases. Well, the four men are already in their mission that they discovered that the man they believed to be a suspect is the real enemy. They fought the man died, and the family became sick, and they hired the four men as their workers of their
Alam dito ka wag sa ilaw, ang bilis ka na. Game. 5, 6, 7, go.
One, there was a foreigner, joined and hired to be a secret agent. He discovered the book of the rich family by their rich. They decided to quit being an agent. They come back to their property. When two of them are walking, they heard the spread of crime cases, and they contact the other girl to finish the unfinished. But they discover the real man that they know is the real enemy. They both and die the real enemy. And the warning hides of the rich family. Wala. And the man dies. The poor man and the family become sick. And the poor man hired to serve the family.
One, there were four men, joined and hired to become a secret agent. They investigate the room, and after a week, they fail in their mission. The four decided to quit being an agent, and they came back in their province. Well, two of them were walking. They heard about the news of crime cases. The men fought the man. The man died, and the family became safe. The four decided to enter and be a worker in the house of a rich family because of their heroic act.
The story is titled Mission Almost Impossible Job for Short Name. Once, there was a four men joined and hired to become a secret agent that will enter the house of the rich family. Investigate house of the rich family, but after a week, it failed to their need. The court decided to quit for being a secret agent, and they came back to their family. While two of them were walking, they heard the news about the violent agent. They contact the other men to pursue their finished needs. While the present agent, they discovered that the man they believed to be the one was the real enemy. They fought the man died, and the rich family became safe. The rich family hired the four men because the mission always impossible that. Once there was four men hired and unite together and will work a rich family as secret agents. One day, they get curious about the family, so they make an investigation about the family. But their investigation was failed. So they decided to quit their job and get back to their province to quit their job from the failed mission. The two other men prepared to spread a friend cases to their strategy. So, they called the two other mates to get back to their job and fulfill their unfinished business. So, they make an investigation again, and they found out that the real enemy is the man who hired them. So, they fought the man, and many action scenes happened until they killed the man. So, the family is very grateful to the four mates because of their heroic act.
This is entitled, Little Among the Possible Dot, or Six One was the four mates, got together to see a secret station that was entered out of the investigating the moves of the family, but after a four decided to go back to the shop. They fought the man died, and the rich family became rich. The poor were advised that family for their harmonious entitled Made or Mission Impossible, almost impossible run. One, there was four mates, Hart and John, to become a secret agent that will enter the house of a rich family. They investigate on the moves of the family, but after a bit, they failed, and they decided to quit as an agent and go back to their crowd. While two of them were gone, they heard the gossip about the spread of crime cases in the city. So, they decided to go back to the city and continue their unfinished mission. They were already their fight when they discovered that the man they worked with was the real enemy. So, they fight the man and successfully they won over the man. The rich family hired them as their workers because of their heroic act, and the mates worked and lived happily with the rich family.